Hello, the topic today is in contacts chat and using the message helper. So we're under a contact record in contacts, and I've clicked on the chat view for chat and email, and we've talked previously about how you can send and receive emails and texts with customers and also get brand name recognition with your logo going out. But let's look down here at the actual messages. What ends up happening when you are communicating with your customers is that you'll tend to ask the same questions and you'll tend to answer the same questions. So a lot of the information will be duplicated, and the last thing you want is somebody communicating with your customers that have unprofessional messages and lots of typos and grammatically poor communications. So a way to make your communications much more professional is to use our message helper, and build a library of quality messages that then you can tweak to send the specific message to a customer. Now, before we go into the message helper and show how to use it, let me show you a couple of things that also support sending messages. So if you look down here under your messages that have been sent out, you've got a couple options: copy to message, copy to library. So if you write a really good message, you may want to use it again. And in this case, I'm just going to say this was the message I thought was really good. And I would click copy to message. And now it's repopulated that message into the message box. And let's say, for instance, I texted it out, but then the customer said, oh, can you email it to me? So then you just copy the message to this tab, change it to email, send it out the door. So it's just that simple. So when you also write one that you really like, somebody writes a good message, you can also choose to copy it to the library, and that will put that message in the library so that you can then go and edit it and make it ready for everyone. So how would I use a message that's been put in the library from copy to library? Well, that's when you click on Display Message Helper. And then what happens is you get an extra section down here at the bottom that has categories, and you can create whatever categories you want. We have another video that just talks about message library setup and configuration. But if we looked at this introductory category, I can click on any of these, and it's got some standard messages in it. So then I could just copy the message, like STIP collections. If I want to collect information, stipulations for a deal, I could just click that copy to message, and now I have a standard email template that has information in it that I can then text out or email out. Now, the difference in this, so the message helper is going to help you manage and create basic text emails that you can create on the fly that are very easy and powerful. That's a little bit different than the templates. The templates are the HTML high quality color messages that also can be created. And so that's a little bit different process. But the message helper is the original text library system that's readily available and easy to use. So to use it, you just click on Message Helper, and you have all your categories. So you can create as many categories as you like. So you could have 10 categories and 10 messages. I mean, you could have hundreds of library-based messages that are available to you literally at your fingertips just by using the message helper. So hopefully this helps and helps improve your overall communications to your customers. And in the next video, we will show you how to look at the message helper library and how to add categories and how to edit messages that you want to send out. Thank you so much.